With the numbered list in Google Docs, you can create a list of items or tasks. You can add items to the existing list and continue the numbering, or create a new list of items and restart the numbering. This document has the list of places in Las Vegas to visit. Name of the places are numbered in sequence. When you add a new place to the list, you can format the newly added name to match with the existing name format and continue with the numbering. To check the existing format for the names, place the cursor on the name of an attraction. Go to the top of the Google Docs and tap the Format option. You can see that the Heading 2 style is used for the names with the numbering. To format the newly added name, place the cursor on the name and tap the Format option on top. Select the Heading 2 style to match with the existing name format. To continue the numbering, type the next number from the previous name and tap space. Now, the format is the same as the format of existing names and the number is continued. You can create a new list, for example list of state parks near Las Vegas, and restart the numbering for the park names easily. Add a park name and select the Heading 2 format and the numbering option. Now this list starts with number 1. You started a new numbered list. You can continue to add more information about the place, or add more parks to the list. Hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to Clear Talking channel to get notified when new video tutorials are uploaded.